Sarap. Para siyang...
Sa pong vlogger. Na-choke.
Uy, akin yan!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco. For today's video, guys, we'll be doing for the second time, chocolate truffles. What? Yay! Because the reason why I'm gonna make it, this is gonna be a second time. So I hope this time it's gonna be perfect. So come with me, guys, and let's cook together. Yeah, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Please follow me on my Instagram, Coco Manuel, FB page. Yes, it's here. Okay, you know what to do, guys. So let's get started.
These are the things that we need. So we need 4 sachets of cocoa powder and chocolate condensed milk. That's it. You gotta sift all the cocoa powder. That's it, and enjoy. Guys, this is very important. So you have to set the stove on low heat only, guys, okay? And guys, don't forget, you have to pour the condensed milk and chocolate powder one at a time, okay, so that it will not be burned. And yes, don't forget to stir, and just do the same process, guys, till your ingredients are empty. And don't forget to enjoy. Alright guys, so you gotta mix it until you get that chewy consistency. So guys, pour your 1 whole sachet into the container.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady, ask your mum.
Pour all the cooked chocolate you made. Flatten your cooked chocolate and pour the chocolate powder on top. Don't forget, guys, and enjoy! Now this time, it has to get ready to put in the fridge. So you have to leave it for like 2 hours. And I'm so excited.
2 hours later.
Picture mo na.
Yan ang game na.
Alright guys, so finally, let's slice this using plastic. Wow, tigas ah. Wow, last time naggawa ko nito was a fail. Oh, look. Wow. Ooh, gooey. Ooh. Wow. Wow. This is slice natin like this, square. And you can make it molded as round. Yeah. Wow. Perfect. Now we'll get one. For sure, it's gonna be so delicious. So excited, guys. Hinintay ko pa to. Naggawa pa ako ng ibang videos para lang dito. Kasi I know, sobrang sarap nito. Wow! Look, guys! And then, guys, nag-alcohol naman ako. So, tada! So, diba, guys, the chocolate truffles is like round. Let's taste this. Sarap. Sarap. Hindi siya nakakasawa. Sarap. Para siyang yung Japanese yummy.
Sa pong vlogger, na-choke.
Ay, akin yan! Kukunin niya, guys. Hindi pa sa kanya yun eh.
Na-choke po habang nagbablog. Nagawa ko po niyang homemade
Guys.
truffles.
Ikaw na lang kayo mag-vlog kalo to. Guys, magpapatawa yung partner ko. Gunggong. Ito. Sobrang tigas niya, oh. Tumatumbling na siya. Tama-tama yung ratio natin. Akin to. Marami pa naman. For the whole family. Pero meron siya i-gift. Wow. Business. It's like an energy bar. Guys, na yung tastes like somehow red ribbon, pero hindi siya ganun katamis. I love it. No. Okay, I'm gonna hide my teeth. Sipan po na ng ano. Guys, sobrang sarap. Try it at home. So, everyone is at home naman. So, guys, this is highly recommended. Super mura. Easy to make. Even your kids can do it. Makapag-bonding rin kayo with your family, with your kids. Yes. So, I hope this inspires you. Guys, please don't hesitate to comment down below and like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my video yet, please do, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with my latest videos. Guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Stay safe, calm, and sorry. Have a good vibes. Bye.
Sobrang sarap niya, guys. Yan. So, nag-mix ulit ako another condensed and then the leftover cocoa powder. And then, looks like Royce chocolate. Tastes like Royce chocolate. Dark chocolate. Sobrang sarap. Hindi nakakasawa. And then, so cheap. Look at that. Sobrang sarap. Yes. So, you can make your own chocolate truffles at home, guys, at a very affordable price. Yeah. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my video,
Thank you guys for watching.
Magbabati naman kayo muna.